back on the beach today with the Legend as promised. I'm going to be going along the same cut, which is just here, all the way along. It's only about 50 yards, or it's not actually, it's about 150 yards, but I'm going to do about 50. But it looks like just along here there's another ledge going over, so I don't know if the Tonka trucks have been along and dumped a load more shingle here, or the sea's done it. I haven't got a clue. But to start with, I'm going out on the wet sand. Once I've done the wet sand, because the tide is on the turn and he's coming in, then I'll move back up onto the shingle area. Enjoy and see you at the first hole. Alright, microphone's connected. Got a 3940. Occasionally it's a high pitch. But yeah, 3940. 41. We'll give it a dig. Yeah, 40, 41. First hole. Still showing Maximus depths. Oh, it's louder, but let's try the pinpointer. Slightly off. Okay. I got some rust down there, so I think it's probably going to be a pillar. Oh. Oh, it's out. Cool, it's loud now. It's out. And very loud. What is that? Pass. A stopper of some sort. I actually think it's lead. So heavy. It's got a hole through it. No, looks like it's got a hole in the end. There's no screw thread, but it's like lead. Well, there you go. First hole, I would say lump of lead. That's a 34-35. We've got a beaver tail. Oh, it's out. It's out straight away. Is that one of them fishing glow things that go on the end of your rod? Possibly. I don't know. I think it is. I might be wrong. But there you go. $38.39. Sounds good. Let's see if it is. $38.39. Out. Oh well. There's a bottle cap. As in wine bottle. It looks like the rim bit. Where the lid would then go on the top to there. Never mind. Nice and loud. 42.43. There's the cut rather, just there. So I'm about 8 feet. Bit of aluminium, just a bit of aluminium. Right, it's a bit iffy. 30-31. I'm going to dig it anyway. Well, I haven't really got a lot today. It's all over the place now. Possibly a large bit of rubbish. There it is there. Possibly a bit of munitions. Difficult to say, but I would say probably. $23.24. It's out. Is it going to be another bit of aluminium? Of course it is. Bit of a beaver tail. Had to get one today. In fact, it's a full beaver tail, just been tipped over, turned over. What have I done? What have I done with the microphone? The headset, rather. That's better. 28 solid. .28. Sorry about that delay. I lost the headphones just then. Still a 28. And still a 28. Oh, it's a ring pull. This is a surface find. I may have to blank it out because I'm not quite sure what it is. Yeah, it's a sex toy by the looks of it. Well, not a toy, but I don't know. It's different. Oh dear, clearly a key ring from somewhere. But never mind. Mainly a 32, 33. Occasionally jumps up to a 40. Let's see. Still a 33. It's out. No, I don't even need that. I can see it. It's another bit of aluminium. Yeah, just another bit of aluminium. Right then, hour and a half on the beach with the Legend. Didn't produce anything really. A couple of gimmick thing, or a gimmick thing, so that'll be on the thumbnail, I think. This is quite funny. Well, in my eyes it is. Yeah, so wasn't the best beach dig, but then again I have been down here a number of times recently and seem to have hoovered up everything. What more can I say? Thanks for tuning in. I hope you did like what a beach dig is normally like, and give us a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, that'd be much appreciated. Next dig is on land. I'm not sure if I'm allowed to video or not, so I will probably video, and as long as I hide where I am, I should be okay. And then next, so that'll be on the east coast somewhere. I probably won't take the Legend next week. I'll probably just have the Manticore and the DS2. So yeah, so thanks for tuning in. Sorry there wasn't really a lot found, but as I say, that is beach detecting for you. As I say, I think I've hoovered up most of the stuff now. It'll be it'll be a few digs, videos. There'll be more, well, hopefully more videos coming out. So, but yeah, I retire tomorrow, so let's see how we go. All right, thanks for joining in, and see you at the next one.